Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day today, and welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to delete junk files and clean up your Mac with Macube. Although Mac is prestigious for its high performance and ease of use, without proper use and regular maintenance, performance problems may occur. There are a bunch of third-party Mac utility apps available in the market for users to better manage the Mac storage and protect the system. Here I am going to introduce one recommendation of them. Macube is a handy utility app for Mac that's specializing in the cleaning tasks. Most affordable Mac cleaner that save you from buying expensive stuff. 7 days for free trial with full function. Erase junks with one click. Find and remove duplicates in 3 steps. Completely uninstall Mac apps. Protect your privacy by clearing browser caches and histories. It provides a wide range of cleaning modes, including clearing system junk, uninstalling apps, removing bulky and old files. Most of the features function well and can help reclaim a considerable amount of Mac disk space. Please download and install Macube on your Mac. You can see Smart Scan, large and old files, duplicate finder, uninstaller, privacy, and more toolkit. Here we will try from the top. Click Smart Scan to clean up unneeded system and app files. Large and old files. To remove unnecessary large and old files to get more free space on your Mac. Duplicate Finder to search a duplicate file on your Mac. Uninstaller to completely remove unwanted applications and associated files. Privacy to clean browsing history. And Toolkit, you can use Shredder, extensions and similar image finder. I very recommend you to use this software because have a lot of features and easy to use. Even beginner can use this software. You can download this software on their official website. Link on description. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more update. Thank you.